This recipe I got when I went to cooking lessons when microwaves first were launched on the market. It was probably in the late 1980s, and when you bought a microwave they were quite expensive and no one knew how to use them. And so there was a 3-week series of lessons. This recipe was one that was really nice. Even today it's a family favourite. I was really always loved technology, and of course when the first microwave came onto the market I was really excited to see how it would work, particularly since I was a working mum and I needed to be able to cook things fast. It is so convenient to be able to cook things very quickly, and all the recipes that we've been adding onto our website are helping people make some yummy food pretty fast.